Hello web workers and YouTubers, Amar here, and if you stick with me to the end of the video, I will be giving away for free a set of 51 premium Master Resell Rights ebooks. In this video, I will be showing you 5 of my best sources for PLR and Master Resell Rights ebooks. And after that, I will be giving you a very nice package of 51 premium ebooks, including the Master Resell Rights license, the Resell Rights license, and the personal use license, so that you can start selling and making profits. Each ebook will include also some graphics to help you promote. Before I show you my 5 best sources, let me just give you a sneak peek of what you will be getting for free. So you'll be getting this folder here with 20 premium Master Resell Rights ebook, and you will be getting also this folder here with 27 premium Master Resell Rights ebooks. And each ebook, it comes with a folder that has the 3 licenses and also the e-cover, multiple dimensions, and ebook itself, and a big e-cover. So these are already 47 free ebooks. And then on the download page, this is the button that will allow you to download the 47 ebooks. And then I have some surprises, really a premium ebooks, like this one here, YouTube Quick Start, and you have the easy sales funnels and the ebook profits, and the last one here, report profit cash. So each one of these comes, like this one here, it comes with a squeeze page, with a download page, with banners, with everything you need to start building your email list. I want to kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and also activate the notifications so you will get my future videos when I release them. Now, the first website is called PLRME, and this website works with credits. So when you register the first time, they will give you a few credits to download some ebooks or other products, and then every month they will give you 2 ebooks. And there is another way to get credits, is to refer other customers to the website, and you will, each time you refer someone, you will get some credits to download ebooks. The second website is called IDPLR.com. This is a very famous website actually, and it has a lot and lots of PLR and Master Resell Rights ebooks. So all you have to do is register an account, and you'll be able to download free Master Resell Rights ebooks and a lot more. The next website is called InDigital Works, and it's the same owner, I think. I'm not sure, but it has the same system, so you can register an account for free and start downloading. You can upgrade for more options. The next website is called PLRProducts.com, and this one also is a very nice, and of course it has the free option. You can register for a free account and then start downloading free ebooks. And of course you will find all the links to these websites on the description below this video, and also you'll find the link where to download my free 51 premium Master Resell Rights ebooks. So you'll find the links down in the description. Now again, one more time, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. I will be very glad if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you on my future videos.